Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a PowerPoint modern slide. So go to pictures and insert your picture. Now what you have to do is that you have to increase the width of this picture and you have to fit it into the slide. Then you have to rotate it vertically and horizontally. Then you have to paste it and then you have to right click on the top picture and then you have to go to artistic effects and then click on blur. Set the radius to 80, go to brightness setting and set it to minus 20%. Yes. Now you have to crop this image into a little bit smaller than half. And now you have to insert a text box and write your title in it. So what I'm gonna write is San Francisco because it's a PPT slide on San Francisco. So I'm gonna change this color to white, and then I'm gonna change its font to stencil, and I have increased its size as well. So I have made it fit into the template. You have to now enter the body text of the video of the slide and the template. I'm using lorem ipsum as a sample text. Now I'm gonna change its color and I'm gonna change its font and I'm gonna increase its size. You can also change the alignment settings. What the alignment I really love to use is towards the left and the center. So this is what I have done. Select the text again and decrease its size. Adjust both of the text. Now go to shapes and insert a line. Change its outline to white and you have to place it into the middle. Adjust the text. So this is the final result of the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates from my channel. You can download this template from my description. And you have to go to pictures and then you have to insert a picture. Then you have to cut it, go to design and then format background and then picture or texture fill option and then clipboard. Now insert a rectangle shape, change its color from the format shape, and as you can see there are these three there are two droppers and you have to change the color of each to black, and then you have to change the transparency of one of them to 100 and the second to 25, and then you have to flip the shape horizontally and then you have to increase its width and then you have to increase its size. So I'm gonna decrease this transparency of the second one. And the next step you have to do is that you have to insert the text box. Now, first you have to remove the outline of the shape Then you have to go to insert tab and then you have to insert a text box. So I'm gonna write Tokyo right here because this slide is gonna be on Tokyo. You have to increase its size and you have to bold it. Change its color to white and then you have to move it to the bottom of the slide. Then paste the content text and then you have to change its color to white and you have to change its alignment to between and to align it towards the white. Change its change its font into the this one Arial and then move it in the bottom part of the slide. So this is the final result of our video. Be sure to like my video and follow my channel to get more of these interesting videos.